हेलो एंड वेलकम एवरीवन टू लेट्स एक्सप्लोर इकोनॉमेटिक्स चैनल। आप सबका स्वागत है लेट्स एक्सप्लोर इकोनॉमेटिक्स चैनल पर। इन दिस वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस पार्ट ए मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स इम्पोर्टेंट वन मार्क क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम द टॉपिक नेशनल इनकम एंड रिलेटेड एग्रीगेट्स। So our first question is, who is known as the father of modern economics? Options are Adam Smith, J.M. Keynes, David Ricardo, D. Amartya Sen. So right answer is Adam Smith. Next question is, the book The General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money is published by. Options are. So right answer is J.M. Keynes. The book General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money is published by J.M. Keynes. J.M. Keynes is also known as the founding father of macroeconomics. Next question is, a capitalistic economy has the following characteristics. There is private ownership of means of production. B. Production take place for selling the output in the market. C. There is sale and purchase of labor services at wage rate. Yes, all are the features of a capitalistic economy. So answer is D, all of the above. Next question is, which of the following is not a macroeconomic variable? Option A, aggregate demand. Option B, general price level. Option C, domestic income. Option D, individual income. So individual income is a microeconomic variable. So right answer is individual income. Which sector is also called the rest of the world sector? The four sectors are household sector, producer sector, the government sector, and the rest of the world. And the rest of the world sector is also known as the external sector. Next question is, fill in the blanks. Only dash goods are included in the estimation of national income. So right answer is final goods are included in the estimation of national income. If we include intermediate goods in the estimation of national income, that will create a problem of double counting. Next question is, state true and false. All capital goods are producer goods, but all producer goods are not capital goods. The statement is true because the producer goods are used as a raw material for the production or used as a fixed assets like plant or machinery, while capital goods include only fixed assets, but raw material can't be used again and again. So producer goods are not capital goods. Next question is, which of the following is not an example of stock? Stock is a quantity measure at a particular point of time, while flow is a quantity measures over a specific period of time. So the right answer is option A, speed of a motorcycle is not an example of stock. Next question is, which of the following is an example of flow? Getting an 10% annual interest on your bank deposit. So annual word denotes a period of time. So answer is option A. While savings, quantity of money in a country and distance between Delhi and Tamil Nadu are examples of stock. So right answer is option A. Next question is, which of the following is not an injection in the process of production in the economy? Injections are the flow variables which causes an expansion in the process of production in the economy. And while the flows are variable which causes while leakages are flow variables which causes a contraction in the process of production or the process of income generation in the economy. The savings, imports, and taxes by the government are examples of leakages, while investment, export, consumption expenditure by household sector are example of injections. So the right answer is option A, saving. Saving is not an injection in the process of production in the economy. Next question is, match the following correctly. Factors of production will get factor income for rendering their services to the household or producer sector. So for land we get rent, for labor we get wages, and for capital we get profit, and for entrepreneur we get sorry uh, for land we get wages, for labor for land we get rent, and for labor we get wages, and for capital we get interest, and for entrepreneur we get profit. So right answer is option C. Thank you for watching the video. Like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more videos like this.